Hey guys, what's up? Scott with Northern Rider. Just giving you an update on the Sportsman 570 build. So far, first things first, I did a Super ATV Black Ops winch. Real beefy, big winch. It's badass. I did a review on that already. So we'll be putting that to work this weekend because I'm going mudding and no funds for tires yet. So I'm going to go out there with the stock tires and I am 100% going to get stuck in the swamps, but it's going to be fun. I also updated the lights. I went to Casper's Electronics and I got the proper connectors, the female end that matches the light. There we go. That matches the light. I didn't shorten up the cord. I just zip tied it together, which is stupid, but whatever. I'll fix it later. But yeah, it connects in. If I want to swap back to the stock headlights, I can. I just made some of my own plates out of aluminum. Real backwoods stuff, man. I just drilling and cutting. It doesn't look real pretty, but it works. And these are flush mount LEDs. I do have the square style, just like my old 550 that maybe you guys have seen on Instagram before. But I wanted to go with a little bit different style this time because it's a new build. Similar style with the snorkels. I did the aluminum again, welded up and riveted in. Real stable stuff. And underneath, so you guys have an idea what's going on here, it's just some hose that I got from Menards, as you can see. But yeah, it's fed in through there. Just use a hole saw to get that all done. I just got a simple TIG welder in my garage. I used to weld race headers and stuff like that for AMS, so I got a little bit of background in building headers and intercooler piping and all that stuff. But yeah, so those are real stable. They look pretty. For those of you that say good luck rolling it over and stabbing yourself with those, I got news for you. Your big giant radiator relocate has pointier corners and it's made out of steel, so good luck with that. The airbox, I did the snorkel your ATV warrior plate. I was gonna make my own out of stainless steel, but hey, they got this and it's only 30 bucks, so good on them. I bought it. It's awesome. Do a little bit of silicone down here, bolt it in, and it's good to go. And these are real sturdy too. Actually, it looks like I need to tighten them. Oh my god. But yeah, that's all siliconed up. There's a button at the bottom there. You have to silicone that. You have to silicone the boot here, and also the PCV, the crankcase breather, has to be siliconed as well if you want to be 100% waterproof. I did 3-inch to 1.5 for the back with a 90-degree elbow. It does look like it will restrict flow a little bit, but you don't really have a choice. If it's getting too hot, I'll just take it off. But here's the front side. Now the front side I did a 3x2 because I went with a straight fitting, and this fitting here, it just, slide it right in, and I ground down some little bumps, but it fits real tight and secure, and it's going to be waterproof. Now, the interesting news is, for years, people have been complaining about the belt box on the 570 leaking on the backside. So, I took it all apart, and I'm about to silicone the backside, but Polaris did some upgrading. Now on the old ones, they were zip tied, and people are saying the zip ties were either broken or falling off. That looks pretty damn watertight. That is a metal band on there, and I don't think that's going anywhere. And if I take it off, I might cause myself more headaches. Now the backside of the secondary is another story, but you know what? I'm gonna give it a shot, and if it doesn't work out, I'll take it off later and deal with it. I'm not going to be doing a ton of mudding this weekend because the girlfriend wants to do some trail riding. So, but other than that, all the electrical fittings got dielectric grease. Winch is ready to go. Next spring, I'll get some mud tires, and I plan on going with the Zillas because the Zillas are not the most aggressive mud tire out there, but guess what? They are half the weight of all the other tires. And when you're dealing with a 570, that isn't the most powerful machine on the market, and you can mess with clutching and all that, but even still, the Zillas are so damn light You can't go wrong. Otherwise, I would definitely go with like an Super ATV Assassinator or Terminator tire, because I just love their stuff. It's awesome. But that's it for now. Might be modding the exhaust later. I don't know. I might just keep all that stock just to keep it reliable and simple. But she should be a monster, especially once we get those Zillas on there. But that's it for now. Any questions or anything, just let me know and I'll answer them. But that's it. Thanks.